That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know. And I'm back with another freaking video. Yes. And as by the title, you already know I'm going to be doing a top knot bun. And y'all, this is my first time doing a top knot bun. And I was super excited because it came out so freaking cute. And as you know, my hair has been short for a while now. And like it's finally growing. I'm finally taking care of it. So I was like, let me go ahead and see if I can put my hair in a top knot bun. And baby girl, I did that shit. And y'all, it came out so nice. So right now, I am just going to be putting some leave-in conditioner, and I put it in a loose ponytail to just mold it right. And I'm going to go in with edge control first and just put that all over my head because I wanted to get it sleek and not curly. So I went in with edge control first, and then I went in with some Eco Styler gel. Alright, so now that you're done sleeking your hair up to your liking, I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel and a oil so that it won't leave a white cast like most edge control do on your hair. And it helped a little bit. It still left that white cast, but I just added some more oil on top of there because who cares? Now when you're done smoothing everything out, you're just going to tam your flyaways with a bobby pin or got to be spray. And then what I did was add some more gel to my edges and then go in with that oil and put it all over my head. Alright, now you're going to slay your edges to your liking. I only do 1, 2, 3 swoops. 1 on each side and 1 in the middle. And that's it. And baby girl, look. I just love it. Like ever since I did it that one time, I've been wearing my hair in top knots all the time. Until I did my hair recently. But yeah, top knots are my go-to now. Alright, so this part was the most stressful part to me because I was trying to figure out how to get it into that circular cone looking shape that it's supposed to be in. Like, at first I tried it with the scrunchie. That was a no-go. And then I tried to put a scrunchie and use bobby pins. I didn't like the way that was looking. And then, so I just went in with bobby pins and just bobby pinned it the way I wanted it to look. And even then, it was like leaning off to the side. So y'all need to help me figure out how to like just keep it straight up in the air. But other than that, I really did like the style. Alright, so after you get it how you like it, I went in with some water with my fingers, and then I added some gel, and I just took out a few strands, and I just like finger coiled it a little bit so it can have like some kind of dimension to it. And I really like that. And you make sure you push in your curls. You don't want them just to be sticking straight out. And yeah, so after you do that, you just let your rag sit on your head for a few minutes, do what you gotta do, and then I'm gonna come show y'all the final look. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.